Hi friends, welcome to Payhip. In this video, we will show you how quick and easy it is to start selling physical products online using Payhip. We'll be covering a step-by-step process to upload your product listing and manage your inventory, how to fulfill your orders. We'll also go over how to customize your storefront, and then we'll take a look at an example of what your customers' experience would potentially look like when they purchase products from your store, and finally, some marketing tips to drive more sales for your products. Feel free to skip ahead to specific chapters within this video to find what you're looking for. As a quick note, if you haven't watched our 3-minute quick start guide video, we encourage you to start there before watching this video, as it provides a high-level overview of Payhip and how to get your store set up, such as setting your payout information. Now let's get started on adding a new product in your Payhip store. Make sure you're already logged in to your Payhip seller account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free at payhip.com. To add a new product, go to the Product tab on the top menu bar. Next, click Add New Product. Select the physical product category. Input your product title, price, images, and descriptions. In this example, I'm uploading a product listing for a t-shirt. Remember that you can write rich product descriptions that include images, videos, bullet points, and more. Next, input any other information such as SKU ID and weight. For your product inventory, by default your inventory is set to unlimited. You'll need to tick the inventory box here and input your actual inventory count. If your product has different variations such as different sizes or colors, you can tick this box and click Add Variations. In this example, I want to sell t-shirts in different colors and also sizes, so let's set that up. First off, size and colors are two different options, so let's set up the first size option. For the option name, I'll type in size. Next, I'll create 3 different choices under this option: small, medium, and large. Click Add Product option to implement it. Here you've successfully created a product listing for a t-shirt with different sizes. But I wanted to go a step further and wanted to offer my t-shirt in different colors. So I'll click Add New Variation button again, and this time I'll put the option name as color. For this option, I'll create 2 different choices, red and blue. Click Add Product option to implement it. You'll now see that the system automatically creates 6 different variations from 2 options that we've just set up. Click Manage Combinations to input the prices, SKU ID, weight, and inventory count of each of the variation. Once you're done, scroll down and choose your visibility settings. You can set it as visible so that it's accessible to everyone who visits your store, or you can set it to invisible if you're still working on it. You can also make it unlisted so that it's only accessible to certain customers who have access to your product URL. Here you can choose to include this product as part of 1 or more collections within your store. If this is your very first product, you won't be able to see this collection option yet. But once you've added more than 1 product, you'll be able to see an option to create product collections. Click the advanced options to view any other settings that you can set up for your product. Once you're done, click Add Product to publish your listing. You'll be presented with the URL to the specific product that you've just published. Now let's go over how to manage your inventory on a regular basis. Your inventory level will automatically deplete when customers purchase items from your store. However, if you'd like to update your inventory, for example when you're having a restock, click the Product menu tab and click Manage Inventory. Here you'll find all of your physical product items. Click Edit on the specific variants to update its inventory. If you want, you can also update the entire product listing as a whole by clicking the Edit Product instead. Then scroll down to the Pricing and Inventory section. Click Manage Combinations and you'll be able to easily update the inventory as well as any other things such as the pricing. Now let's customize the design of your website or storefront by using Payhip's fully customizable store builder. You can create an entire website on Payhip for free in just a few minutes. To do this, go to the Store tab and launch your store builder. Payhip provides a lot of pre-built website sections that you can select from and customize accordingly. No technical skills needed. You can find more information on how to use Payhip Store Builder on another video. But here's an example of a website created using Payhip without any technical coding skills or design skills. You'll notice that you can connect a custom domain for free if you want to. This helps to make your website feel more like your own. Now let's take a look at how to fulfill your customer orders. Once you start getting orders, they'll show up under the Customers tab. As a quick note, you'll also get an email notification when you receive new order. Click on the order to fulfill. All you have to do here is to input the tracking number, carrier name, and the tracking URL. Your customers will automatically receive an email notification with these tracking information. Once you've done that, the order will be marked as fulfilled. Now let's take a look at a preview of what your customers would experience from start to finish when they purchase your products. To start, this is the storefront that they'll see. And when they click into a product, this is what a product page looks like. They can add the item to a cart or purchase the item right away. They'll be presented with the form to fill out their payout and shipping information. And that's it, your customer has successfully purchased an item. Once you fulfill the order, they'll get an email notification with the tracking information as you can see on the screen. Now that you've got your product listing published, it's time for you to start driving traffic to your store and start getting sales. One of the most common ways to do this is to put a link to your online store on your social media bio. You can also run marketing campaigns to get more eyeballs on your store. Remember to take advantage of Payhip's marketing tools to run your promotions. Go to the Marketing tab to find all of our free marketing tools. Each tool comes with more information on how you can maximize their benefits. And that's it, you've successfully set up your online store. Visit help.payhip.com for more helpful tips on how to utilize various features on Payhip, or reach out to contact@payhip.com if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.